So here's that time.
Hi friends, welcome my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace Kingroot with super user. First of all, please subscribe my channel super user. Let's enter the video. In this situation I use the app called SuperSumi. Let's check the Android version. It's 4.2.2 and check it out, the Kingroot work proper. Here the app SuperSumi and open the app and click Begins button. After the reboot, open the app SuperSu. The souvenir needs and click Continue button and click Normally installation. After reboot, SuperSu is active. The SuperSumi app is given by the link in description, and thumbs up and like and share. Please subscribe my channel and keeping support to my channel. Thanks for watching.